fun riddles for kids. Animal riddles. I have 4 legs and a wagging tail. I bark loudly and never fail. Who am I? A dog. Good job. I am big. I have a trunk and I love to spray water. Who am I? An elephant. Great. I jump and hop. I have long ears and I love to eat carrots. Who am I? A rabbit. Good job. I am black and white. I love to moo. I give you milk, fresh and new. Who am I? A cow. Good. I have wings, but I don't fly. I waddle and slide on ice. Who am I? A penguin. Great job. Food riddles. I am red or green. I grow on a tree. Take a bite and you'll love me. Who am I? An apple. Great job. I am yellow, long and sweet. Monkeys love me as a treat. Who am I? A banana, that's right. I am cold. I am sweet. In a cone, I'm fun to eat. Who am I? An ice cream. Correct. I am round. I am cheesy. I am covered in toppings. Who am I? Pizza. Good job. I am crunchy, orange, and help you see at night. Who am I? A carrot. Great job. Nature riddles. I shine in the sky. I give you light, and I disappear at night. Who am I? The sun. I am white and fluffy. I float up high. I bring rain when I cry. Who am I? A cloud. Nice job. I am tall and green. I have strong arms. Birds live in me. Who am I? A tree. Great. I twinkle in the night. I shine so bright. You can count me if you like. Who am I? A star. Awesome. I come after rain. I have many colors. I light up the sky. Who am I? A rainbow. Very nice. Objects and fun riddles. I have wheels. I go fast, but I must stop when there is a red light. Who am I? A car, yes. I have hands, but no arms. I have a face, but no eyes. Who am I? A clock. frog. Great job. I open and close. I let you in. Knock on me and I'll begin. What am I? A door. Very nice. I am full of air. I float up high. At parties I reach the sky. Who am I? A balloon. Great job. If you had fun today, don't forget to join us next time for more learning adventures. See you soon, little explorers. Bye-bye.